We're going to clean up our rocker arms here. Hierarchy and balance and there's spins freely. And nice. Vibration in there. Can't have that. Okay, I took out one of my vice jaws, so I got access. Appears to be a rock arm in the way. So we have one pivot on the back here, center. We got a drive lug here, because it's going to drive up to the side. It's nice and straight and true. They're out chasing somebody. Okay, we're going to use some really fine stuff here, whatever this is. It's 401, 1200. 1200. Perfect. So, we just kind of polish this down a little bit. Keep your hands away from that part right there, it might hurt. Nothing right there doesn't feel good either. Hold it this way. Gotta find a way that doesn't hurt you at least. We got nice, super smooth. Feel smooth that is?
Mm-hmm.
Feel it?
Yeah, super smooth.
Okay, we got the other ones around here somewhere.
Yeah, there's some drill.
Let's see how rough this one is. Here?
Yeah.
Versus this one. Yeah, you see, got the same noise, but it's a lot smoother though.
Mm-hmm.
This isn't cutting anything, it just takes away nicks. If you use that other paper, a little thin one up there, it's like 180 grit or something. This one here, it'll actually cut. I'm not trying to cut, I just want to get rid of burrs. This goes the opposite direction now, so see how it fits this way. Load it up, see? Feels good to run the rubbers across the
yeah.
It's alright.
It's a little wake up.
We didn't dig in, it just been rubbed against it. That's why you got calluses on your knuckles. Impact moves. Stock rocker, I'm going to be able to bite onto the round part. Not with these. Polished. So there's no burrs sticking up, so now we put them in the lifter blocks and we see how they fit in the block. Then we'll worry about grinding them because that sucks up there. Alright, we'll be back.